Welcome to another episode of EThekwini News in 60 seconds, your weekly roundup of municipal news that matters. Electricity and Energy Minister Dr. Josienzo Ramakgopa and EThekwini Municipality Mayor Councillor Cyril Xaba announced the awarding of a Section 34 ministerial determination empowering EThekwini to produce new generation capacity to meet specific energy needs and enhance energy security. The exhibitor registration is now open for the Resurgent Conference Durban 2025, taking place from the 20th to the 24th of September 2025. Innovate Durban, Alliance Française, and the French Embassy have signed a memorandum of understanding, setting the stage for a women-focused incubator in the cultural and creative industries sector to deepen bilateral relations between France and South Africa. That's it for this episode. Catch you next week.